Hey there, social media gurus. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to go over something really special for you. We know how time consuming it can be to repurpose all of your blog contents to all the different social media platforms, right? Well, you don't have to worry anymore because we're going to show you how you can automatically repurpose all of your blog posts to your social profiles using Vista Social Smart Publisher. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's set up our Smart Publisher. On your Vista Social dashboard, go ahead and choose the specific blog option and paste the link to your blog. From there, you can choose which part of your blog post should be included in your social post caption, whether you want the link, the title, the description, or all of them. Next, you're going to decide when it should be published. You can choose to publish it immediately or use the publishing queues for, the more efficient workflow. And the cherry on top, you can have these blog posts reviewed by your team before they're published. So you get to maintain full control over your content. So there you have it. As soon as these blog posts are published on your site, Vista Social will add it to your social media calendar. It's that simple. So why spend hours manually posting when you can automate the process? Give Vista Social a try and let it save you more time than you thought possible. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more social media hacks, and until next time, keep those posts flowing.